Hello my dears, in today's video I am going to teach you the different ways to pronounce the double O spelling. Did you know that in standard British English there are actually 5 different ways that we can pronounce double O? There are 2 main ways and 3 ways which are less common. I'll teach you all 5 ways, including the pronunciation, and I'll give you lots of example words with these different pronunciations. Let's go. So the first group then is by far the most common way of pronouncing double O, and it's like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You can see, can't you, that my lips are rounded. It's a monophthong, just. This means there isn't really any movement in the sounds, but if you look at my lips right at the end, you'll see that they're just coming together a little bit. Ooh, ooh. Like that. Let's look at some words then with this pronunciation. Food, goose, moon, soon, spook, smooth, loose, choose. And now let's look at the second group. There are also lots of words in standard British English with this second pronunciation, and here it is. It's O, O. So you can see, can't you, that my lips are still rounded, but you can also hear that the sound is now short. In group 1 we had oo, but now we have O, O. You might notice that my lips are ever so slightly more open than they were for oo, O, oo, but it's the length difference that's most noticeable here. Let's have a look at some words, shall we? We have got good, wool, foot, stood, wood, cook, look. And this common collocation really trips learners up. Good food, good food. Can you hear here that the vowel length in this pair is different? O, oo, good food, short, long. So that's the 2 main ways, but there are still 3 pronunciations to go. The third group is where we pronounce double O as or, and this is the same vowel sound as thought or more or saw. You can see that my lips are rounded or a little bit more open than they were for oo or o. Or. Some words in this group are door, floor, more, pour. And if you're wondering at this point why I pronounced pour with a long vowel, maybe you've heard it differently. Not everyone does pronounce it this way. I do. Most speakers of modern British English do. However, not everybody does, especially those with an old-fashioned RP accent. I actually made a video a little while ago, which I will link somewhere around here, where I look at the pronunciation of this word, and the comments under that video are really interesting, so go and check that one out. And now let's look at group 4. Here the vowel is pronounced like this. It's different from the vowel in good and book, which is O, it's Can you see my mouth is a little more open, a little bit more relaxed, my tongue is lower, And this vowel is the same vowel as in words like mother, London, mustn't, enough. And the words with this pronunciation and the double O spelling are flood and blood. And then finally, last but not least, and a group of 1. We've got a real outlier here because double O is pronounced like this. O. It's the same vowel as goat or coat or don't or show. O. And the only word that I know of in English with this pronunciation is brooch. The little badge that you might wear. And so there you have it. Those were the 5 ways to pronounce double O in British English. Before we finish though, I would like to give you a few example sentences so that you can put these different pronunciations into practice. Here we go. This is sentence number 1. The poor cook flooded the floor. Number 2. The cool cat rolled a loose ball of wool out of the door. And finally, the spooky story in the old book was set on the moor. You'll find lots more helpful videos like this on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching.